From the depths of the Earth to the hidden corners of the ocean, volcanoes come in different forms, each with unique characteristics and have an influence on the weather and the climate. Volcanoes can be categorized into several different forms, but broadly speaking, there are two main types based on shape, composition, and eruption style. And those two forms are the shield volcano, typically non-explosive with gently sloping sides, and the stratovolcano, also known as the composite volcano. That's the one like Mount Batur located in Indonesia right behind me, which is a stratovolcano or composite volcano, defined by its highly destructive and explosive eruptions. These kind of volcanoes can also have several different features known as cinder cones, lava domes, and calderas. But the world of volcanoes doesn't end on land. Deep beneath the ocean surface lies a hidden realm of underwater volcanoes known as seamount or submarine volcanoes. These towering structures emerge from the ocean floor, shaping the underwater topography. Now, while their eruptions may not reach the surface, the volcanic activity can still have a profound impact on the marine environment. Minerals, gases, and heat all alter the chemistry and the temperature of the surrounding water. Just like this spring behind me, an active underwater volcano heats the temperature to a balmy 40 degrees. Some parts of the planet are more prone to volcanic activity than others because of regions like the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is an area encircling the Pacific Ocean, home to numerous active volcanoes. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a result of tectonic plates that lie underneath the Earth's surface. And in the subduction zone, where one plate slides under the other, it creates the perfect conditions for volcanic activity. The movement and interaction of these plates releases immense amounts of energy, which leads to volcanic eruptions and earthquakes.
Eruptions can even be visible on the weather radar, often owing to a mix of ash, smoke, and volcanic clouds, like the eruption seen here of Mount Etna in Sicily.
So what connection do volcanoes have with weather and climate? Well, the answer lies in the gases and particles they release during their eruptions, including sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and ash. In the short term, volcanic eruptions can impact localized weather patterns because the release of sulfur dioxide combines with ash to form volcanic clouds, which creates localized cooling as the sunlight is reflected back out into the atmosphere and can also alter rainfall distribution patterns. In the long term, volcanic eruptions can also impact global climate. Large eruptions release massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere, which then combines with water vapor to produce tiny droplets of sulfuric acid, which remains suspended in the atmosphere for years. This then creates a shield as the sunlight is reflected back out into space, creating a temporary cooling effect on the Earth's surface known as volcanic winter. So from shaping the landscapes to influencing the delicate balance of our atmosphere, volcanoes remind us of the ever-changing forces that shape our planet.